In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Mailchimp using the code block. If you've ever tried to add a table to a Mailchimp email, you've probably noticed there isn't a built-in table block in the standard editor. That's where the code block comes in. It lets you paste custom HTML so you can display structured information, like pricing, schedules, or feature comparisons, right inside your message. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few practical tips so your table looks clean and works well across common email clients. Inside the email builder, look to the left panel and open the Blocks tab. This is where all the content options live. Scroll until you find the code block. It's the one specifically meant for pasting HTML. Once you've found it, drag the code block into the central editor area and drop it exactly where you want the table to appear in your layout. Take a second to position it thoughtfully so it aligns with nearby headlines and text for better readability. Next, click the code block you just placed to open the code editor. This brings up a simple text area where you can type or paste HTML. Now add your table markup. A basic structure uses the table tag, with TR for rows and TD for cells. Keep email compatibility in mind. Use inline CSS for styling. Stick to simple properties like width, padding, borders, background color, and text alignment, and avoid complex selectors or external style sheets. For example, set the table width to 100% so it fits the content area, add cell padding via inline padding on TD elements for breathing room, and use light borders or background shading to make headers stand out. When your HTML is in place, click Save and Close to apply the code. You should immediately see the table render in the editor. If something looks off, reopen the block and double-check for missing closing tags or typos. Small syntax errors can break table formatting in emails. Now preview the email to confirm the table appears correctly. Use the preview tools to scan for alignment, spacing, and legibility, and check that columns don't feel cramped on smaller screens. Keep your table narrow and concise when possible. Email clients can be less forgiving than web browsers. Finally, click Save and Exit at the top right to keep the changes. That's it. Your custom table is now part of your Mailchimp email. Keep the HTML simple, rely on inline styles, and your table will display reliably across most inboxes.